In this session, let us see Fetch API with an example to perform HTTP GET and POST requests using Visual Studio Code. So let us create a new folder called as Fetch in desktop and open the created folder in Visual Studio Code. Inside Fetch, let us create a file called as fetch.html. Within the body of HTML, let us write a script that gets triggered when the page itself gets loaded. So let us write a script, and within that, let us say window.add event listener and supply the load function, the load event, and a callback function as the second parameter, within which we can call fetch and pass in the URL from which we want to fetch or get response. To the response that we get from this call, we can perform function chaining using promises syntax and thus use the then keyword and have a callback function with the parameter resp. Within the callback function, let us perform a console.log and try to get the status. Let us run or deploy this page in a live server and see if we are getting the status back. So it is running in 5500. Let us open a Chrome window and supply 5500 as the port, and we can see fetch.html is available. Let us click on fetch.html and open the developer tools from more tools, and under console, yes, we see status 200. So we were able to do a successful GET request on this URL. So let us print out or log out some more information like the type, the URL, say the content type which is available inside headers dot get, and we can say content type, and one more, let us ask for redirected and change the labels here to is redirected, the content type URL and type. So we can see the status 200, type as cars, the URL, content type, null, is redirected, false. So why the content type is null? We are not having any content. Yeah, there is a typo here. It is in fact content hyphen type. Let us save it. Yeah, we see the content type is application slash JSON. So let us now try to retrieve the JSON content itself by performing function chaining. So what we can do is, after this, we can have a if condition and say if response.status is 200, we can return response.text. Now, since this itself is a promise, we can chain to this using the then keyword. The parameter say info this time, and do a console.log and pass in info. So as we can see here, we get the JSON data back.